let us find this group G. G will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 15, and some elements will we have to remove some elements. Here you see n 55 is 1, that means n 11 into 5 equals to 1. So multiple of 11 and multiple of 5 will be removed from this set. So multiple of 5 first, 5, 10, 15, dot 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 55. Union multiple of 11 means 11, 22, 33 and 44 and 55, but you see 55 here, so there is no need to write 55 again. Now, so the numbers in this set will be you can see the numbers, but here you see we are interested only in those numbers which are greater than 30. So in this set and greater than 30, so the numbers will be 31, 32, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 52, 53, 54. You can see that all numbers are greater than 30 and these numbers are not multiple of either 5 or 11. So we have to find here this group is mod 55, and we have to find those x which satisfies this relation x square equals to 26. So let us start from 31. 31 square means 24 square, because sum of these two numbers 31 and 24 is 55. So this is 576. So taking mod 55, this will be 26. So the 31 is the right answer. Here we can put 31. Let us check if there are more or not. Suppose 32. We have found that one number 31 is the answer. So there is now it is easy to find, to check other numbers. If you take 32, then 32 square minus 31, this 31 square is already 26. So we have to check for the 32. If you find this, then you will get 63, and 63 means 3 into 3 into 7. This number is not a multiple of 55. So 32 is not equals to 26. Similarly, if you take 33 square and 31, we are taking 31 in all because this 31 square is 26. So this will be 2 into 64. 64 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to 2. So we are not, this number is also not a multiple of 55. So 31 square 33 is not our answer. If you go in this way, then you will arrive at a point when 46, you get 46 square, 31 square. If you do this, then you will get 77 into into 15, and you know this number is multiple of 55, so 46 is also our answer. So here will be 31 or 46. If you go in this way up to this number 54, then you will have 31 square and 31 and 46 as your answer. There is no other number which satisfies this relation x square equals to 26. So there are two answers. If you put any among these two, then you will get the full mark.